With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is a dilute solution of H2SO4 is made by adding 5 ml of 3 normal H2SO4 to 245 ml of water. Find the normality and molarity of the diluted solution. So in the question we are given that we have 3 normal and 5 ml H2SO4. Now this solution is added in 245 ml of water. So now we will get a resulting solution. So for this solution we have to find out the normality and the molarity. Now we'll see what normality and molarity is. So normality is the number of gram equivalent of solute in 1 liter of a solution. And molarity is the number of moles of solute in 1 liter solution. Normal and V1 is equal to 5 ml and V2 given is 245 ml, so we have to find out the N2. So N2 is equal to N1 V1 upon V2, which is equal to 3 normal into 5 ml upon 245 ml. So here ml and ml will get cancelled and N2 will be equal to 0.0612 normal. So the normality of the solution is 0.0612 normal. Now we'll calculate the molarity. So now we have a relation normality upon molarity is equal to basicity. Now let's see what basicity is. So basicity is the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. Now if we look at the formula H2SO4, here the number of replaceable hydrogen are 2. Therefore basicity is equal to 2. Now we have to calculate molarity. So molarity is equal to normality upon basicity. Normality we have calculated, which is 0.0612, and basicity is 2, which gives the molarity as 0.0306 molar. So the molarity is 0.0306 molar. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.